Okay, y'all, what's going on? Now, we about to get us some fuel and put in the truck. Okay. So, first of all, I gotta look at my mileage. 45,048. So this is the place we get that he gets fuel from this place for a pearl. So I gotta put the card in, card in, wait for that, remove the card. Then I put the miles in. Then I put my code in, which I'm gonna turn. And then after that, this is pump 5. Then I put pump 5 in. And then hold on. It only adds fuel. Someone inside I don't need none. Okay. What I'm doing, I'm making a video. So I put the fuel in. Because this truck right here only got one fuel tank. Move this up, lift my mic up a little bit. Because like I said, because of this, got only one fuel tank. You almost got to fuel this joker up, according to how far you go, twice a day. But you know, this is what it is right here. This, I'm gonna start really looking for another job because I gotta make better money. While it fuel up, see, basically this is the picture of everything. Of the pearls. People do come here to get gas, get DEF. It's only 2 pumps that really get the DEF, but this is one of it. And it's kind of right down the road from the job, so it's not far. They got security cameras and everything here, so you got to worry about nobody. Well, you still always got to worry about people messing with you. You know, always got to worry about that, of people messing with you. So, like I said, eventually I got to start looking for me another job because I got to get paid better. Um, to get my time back together, get my life back together, I need a better job that can pay money. And here it's not paying me enough money to get up that hill and hopefully get over the hill. So I want to ask them for a raise. I mean the job ain't hard, but I have to get another job because I need better benefits. I really do. I need retirement. I need medical benefits. It's a lot of things I need. So what I'm doing right now is like I like to fill mine up, fill it up too much I could go. This how I should do my own truck. Now, don't get me wrong. I miss my truck. I miss working for myself. I'm still down that Everything didn't work out and stuff, but can't dwell on it. What I'm doing, I'm gonna come over here and I'm going to hit receipt, and then I put the card in. I'm gonna hit receipt. I'm gonna put the card in to get a receipt for this. Okay. So remove my card, and it's supposed to print out a receipt. So now I got the receipt and everything. Now we can get on down the road. Now we ain't rushing today because we know we only probably got this to do and stuff. So hopefully we might end up getting to prison. But no, don't want to do the prison JCI because that used to be for Tuesday, you know. But yeah, so that's how we get receipt, how we get fuel in these trucks. So, but like I said, I'm gonna pop out these videos, man, because you know I'm very determined to get this channel over. So let me show you right here. Also, I put my little cooler right there. I gotta stop by the store and give me some fruits, stuff like that there. If I had bring some sandwiches or something, but most of my fruits and stuff. So see you on the next video.